Token unlocks happen every single day in cryptocurrency. And as we all know, these events can cause quite a bit of volatility in terms of the price whose token is undergoing an unlock. As much as possible, it's important to anticipate these events, which is exactly why my team and I are giving you a heads up in terms of upcoming token unlocks. And combined, these unlocks are actually always good for at least a couple of $1 million per month. October is also good for about $170+ million. Just for example here, DYDX had a 2.16 million token unlock on the 3rd of October, and this was equivalent to $4.47 million. And that's only 1.23% of their circulating supply. So let's dive into the most important token unlocks that you need to be aware of for October 2023. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. I wish you the best of luck if you choose to invest, but you gotta remember, I am not a financial or investment advisor. And of course, that means that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Be sure to check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha, where we just made a terrific flip call that netted us 26% profit in just 7 days. If you are serious about cryptocurrency and altcoins and you want to make the most of the upcoming bull run, check this out to help manage your crypto portfolio with regular updates and top insights. You can find all of the relevant links and the information you need to sign up in the description below. Okay, we are beginning here at number 1 with Axie Infinity, ticker AXS. Pole position in October is for Axie Infinity. Their unlock is 11.5% of their circulating supply. That's happening on the 20th of October. That translates into 15.13 million AXS tokens, or about $68.28 million at the time of this recording. This is a sizable one. Now they have quarterly unlocks. 2 of these unlocks are big, while the other 2 are smaller. The smaller unlocks are staking rewards. And the good news here is that Axie already unlocked 76% of their AXS tokens. But like I said, this is a big one. It has 5 allocations. 6.08 million AXS, or about $27.86 million. That goes to the team. 554.75 thousand AXS, or $2.54 million, that goes to advisors. 3.38 million AXS, or about $15.5 million, that goes to the game, or is for P2E. 1.69 million AXS, or about $7.7 million, that's for the ecosystem fund. And 3.43 million AXS, or $15.7 million, is for staking rewards. And by the way, the last unlock in July, this was 3.43 million AXS, or $15.7 million. Now, I mentioned the July unlock, but the last really big one was on the 26th of April. And we saw that the tokens started to dump a few days before the unlock. We're looking here at the 14th of April, looking forward to the 11th of May 2023. So you can see a pretty steady downward trajectory. Starting on the 19th of April, the price of AXS slumped from $9.39 all the way down to $7.81 a week later on the 26th of April. Be sure to be checking out Randy's daily technical analysis videos. As I mentioned a couple of days ago, these are now coming out on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel, which has been dormant for a couple of years, but you guys should check that out. Tuesday through Friday, you're going to be able to find Randy's TA. He always covers Bitcoin and really whatever other altcoins are making news in terms of price action, whether to the upside or the downside. So check that out. I'm going to link to today's video as well as the Altcoin Buzz trading channel in the description below. Next up, and at number 2 on our list, we're looking here at Optimism, ticker OP. Now, Optimism is about to unlock their monthly 3.03% of tokens. That's coming up on the 30th of October. That is equivalent to 24.16 million OP, or $32.86 million. So far, they have unlocked only 18% of their OP tokens, and their last unlock is due in May of 2027. So there's still a few years of this that we can look forward to. Now, this upcoming unlock has 2 allocations. 12.75 million OP, or $17.34 million, that goes to core contributors, and 11.41 million OP, or $15.52 million, that goes to investors. In June, July, and September, the OP token saw a nice price increase around the unlock. However, in August, we saw a notable slump from about $1 and let's call that 80 cents to all the way down to, as you can see here, about $1.27. Next up, and at number 3 on our list, we're looking at Aptos. They have an unlock event on the 12th of October for 1.91% of their circulating supply. And that's equivalent to 4.54 million APT or $24.53 million. That's the third biggest unlock event in October 2023, by the way. Beware though, because as of next month, we see 6 consecutive months of even bigger unlocks. And therefore, I expect the APT token to take a bit of a hit over these next 6 months. But let's for now concentrate on the October unlock. So there's an allocation of 1.33 million APT for the foundation. That's $7.2 million. And the rest, 3.21 million APT, or about $17.3 million, that goes to the community. And to date, Aptos only unlocked 18% of their tokens. So this is about to change. And during the last unlock that happened on the 12th of September, APT went from about $5 to $5.24 in 5 days' time. So we actually saw a nice uptick. Next up, and at number 4 on our list, we're looking here at ApeCoin, which made its way into last month's list and is also present for this month. So they're active in terms of unlocks. The ticker, by the way, is APE, APE. However, just be aware that this month they do have a much smaller unlock compared to last month. Their unlock is 4.23% of their circulating supply. That's 15.6 million APE or $17.63 million. That figure specifically is what puts them in the 4th spot here for our October list of unlocks. And ApeCoin already unlocked 54% of their tokens. This unlock has 6 allocations in particular. The biggest allocation is for their treasury. That receives 7.34 million APE or $8.3 million. Then another 4.17 million APE or $4.71 million goes straight into the pockets of Yuga Labs. They own ApeCoin. 2.22 million APE or $2.51 million goes to the Yuga Labs founder. And then smaller allocations go to launch contributors and some goes to charity. Now, since January of this year, the APE token has been on a pretty steady decline. Maybe that's an understatement, actually. On January 28th, it stood at $6.26. Today, as you can see, it's sitting, as I record, at $1.10. The unlocks don't seem to be making an extra impact in terms of this decline. This is one that unfortunately has performed very, very poorly, even below average in this bear market versus other altcoin projects. Okay, and finally, at number 5, the last spot on our list today goes to ImmutableX, ticker IMX, which has the 5th biggest unlock in terms of USD for the month of October. And tomorrow, the 7th of October, they are unlocking 1.95% of their circulating supply. Now, ImmutableX has already unlocked 59.5% of their supply. So this is their monthly unlock of 18.08 million IMX. This translates into about $10.37 million at current rates. And this unlock sees 8.46 million IMX or $4.84 million going to private sales. And then the remaining 9.62 million IMX or $5.5 million, that goes to project development. And you know, almost every month we see a price correction around the token unlock period. Last month in September, we saw a drop between the 9th and 13th of September from about 54 cents to about 48 cents. However, on the 22nd of September, it was about as high as 68 cents. So at least in the case of IMX, the unlock slumps seem to be temporary.